Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sauro Arakinas, your clinical pharmacist. So, what is BEVYXXA or betrixaban? BEVYXXA, betrixaban is venous thromboembolism or VTE. So, let's get into details of what this medication is. As far as the indication go, BEVYXXA is a factor 10A inhibitor indicated for the prophylaxis of VTE or venous thromboembolism in adult patients hospitalized for an acute medical illness who are at risk of thromboembolic complications due to moderate or severe restricted mobility and other risk factors for VTE. As far as dosage and administration goes, the recommended dose of BEVYXXA is an initial single dose of 160 milligram, followed by 80 milligram once daily, taken at the same time each day with food. The recommended duration of the treatment is 35 to 42 days. It's to reduce the dose of for patients with severe hepatic impairment or renal impairment, I'm sorry. Also to reduce the dose for patients on P-glycoprotein or PGP inhibitors. Again, as far as the dosing goes, and the recommended dose is 160 milligram, followed by 80 milligram once daily dose, taken at the same time each day with food. It comes in a capsule format of BEVYXXA 40 and 80 milligram capsules. It's contraindicated in patients with active pathological bleeding and those with severe hypersensitivity reactions to betrixaban or BEVYXXA. Most common side effects seen from BEVYXXA includes bleeding, obviously. So again, this is a summary information about BEVYXXA or betrixaban. It's indicated for the as a factor 10A inhibitor for the prophylaxis of VTE, venous thromboembolism, in adult patients hospitalized for an illness that are at higher risk of thromboembolic complications. As I mentioned, the initial dose is 160 milligram, followed by 80 milligram once daily to be taken at the same time of each day. It comes in a capsule format of 40 and 80 milligram capsules. And some of the contraindications includes active bleeding and patients that are on have hypersensitivity reactions to BEVYXXA. For more detailed information on this drug, refer back to the package insert, which will give you more information on the dosing, cautions, precautions, and side effects on BEVYXXA. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.